Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will delve into the process of repairing the potentiometer of your Thermomix TM31. To start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. Before we proceed, make sure to unplug the unit to avoid any electrical accidents. First, remove the 4 screws located at the base of the Thermomix. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. It's advisable to keep these screws in a safe place, perhaps in a small bowl, so they don't get lost during the repair. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover. You may face slight resistance. If so, a flathead screwdriver can be used to pry it open carefully. Take care not to damage the plastic clips. Now that you have access to the internal components, locate the potentiometer, which is usually attached to the main circuit board. You will notice that the potentiometer is secured with a couple of screws. Use your spanners to loosen these screws. It's essential to handle these screws with care, as they can be quite small and easy to misplace. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the potentiometer from its socket by pulling it straight out. Inspect the potentiometer for any visible damage or debris. If it appears dirty, a soft cloth and a mild cleaning solution can be used to wipe it down. Ensure everything is free from dust before proceeding. At this stage, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by the process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you'd prefer, simply send your machine to us for a thorough checkup. Next, let's replace the potentiometer. Take the new potentiometer and carefully plug it into the same socket from where the old one was removed. Ensure it fits snugly to prevent any future problems. Once it's in place, reinstall the screws to secure it back onto the circuit board. With the potentiometer reattached, it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Place the base cover back onto the unit, ensuring that all clips are aligned properly. Replace the 4 screws and tighten them with the Phillips screwdriver, being cautious not to over-tighten. Before you do a final check, also take a moment to clean the interior of the device using compressed air. Removing any dust or residue can enhance the performance of your Thermomix. If you'd like, we can assist with the collection and delivery at your home, making this process even easier for you. Once everything is secured and cleaned, plug your Thermomix TM31 back in and turn it on. Test the functionality of the potentiometer by adjusting the settings to see if everything is working correctly. If you notice any issues during your tests, keep in mind that we provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the potential costs up front if professional help is needed. And that's it! You have successfully repaired the potentiometer of your Thermomix TM31, giving it a new lease of life. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home. No calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.